So 9 commands to install Python 2 in Ubuntu. The first command is sudo app add repository universe. Press enter. Then it will execute the first command. Second command sudo app update. Press enter. Now the third command sudo app install Python 2 minimal. Press enter. Now you can see the version Python 2 minus capital V. It will show Python 2.7.18. We can see the possible next command is all versions of Python available in this username. And next command sudo app update. Next command sudo app install curl curl. And next command curl bootstrap.py. So you have to type this command. And another command sudo app install python-pip. It will install the following programs. So these are the 9 commands. So in Firefox browser type PEEpdf. So here the first one is Jespersa PEEpdf. You please select this first browser. So here you please select PEEpdf external2.com. Double click it. And this is the website. So you can download the file at the end of this website. GTOP version zip file. So you can download this. So this file zip file is downloaded. Yes, now I am in PEEpdf folder. So I'm seeing the list of files. Yes. Now I want to change the mode. CC mode is change mode plus into my file is PEEpdf.py Python program. Yes. Now I have to run this interactive. Now I want to run this Python interactive files. Python to PEEpdf.py -i, and my testing file is testing PDF file is train.pdf. These are the output of my train.pdf files. If you see, file name is train.pdf and version is 1.4. The size of bytes are given my PDF file, and it is there are 26 objects are listed and streams are going to be 11, and URI is user is 2, and that information about my objects and streams are given in the codings. And you can see my PEEpdf interactive mode. So here I can run my some of the commands. So what are the commands that can be used in interactive mode of my console inside this PDF is, these are the commands. And you can see that prompt instead of dollar I am having PPDF, that is going to be PEEpdf interactive console. Now I am in the inside of interactive console of PEEpdf. I can execute these are the commands to see I can test my PDF files and see some of what's the information of my PDF file info. If I say, it will give file name, version with HH1 details, and 26 objects and 11 folders, and 2 UIRs are listed in my testing PDF files, and these are the object codes, and these are my stream codes are available, and URI reference are listed in my object number 14 and 15. So these are the informations are given in my train.pdf file. And another command I can issue metadata. And inform objects in version, and the codings regarding my testing file train.pdf is given here. So some of the objects I can see, for example object 10 is listed in my program, object 10. So these are the details are listed in my PDF file, and there are going to be 26 objects are listed. Some of the things I am seeing now, object number 14. So details about my PDF file, testing file showing here, and also I can see the stream value of code of 16, stream code of 16 listed in my PDF file, and it's not given anything else. So I can move on from object code, or if you want you can see the info once again about my PDF file. So the stream codes are going to be 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13. So listing is given here. So I can encrypt this. Encrypt with the code 123. And inform objects inversion and the codings regarding my testing file train.pdf is given here. So some of the objects I can see. For example, object 10 is listed in my program, object 10. So these are the details are listed in my PDF file. And there are going to be 26 objects are listed. Some of the things I am seeing now. Object number 14. So details about my PDF file, testing file showing here. And also I can see the stream value of code of 16, string code of 16 listed in my PDF file, and it's not given anything else. So I can move on from object code, or if you want, you can see the info once again about my PDF file. So the stream codes are going to be 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13. So listing is given here. So I can encrypt this. Encrypt with the code 123. File encrypted successfully. So I can save this. Use this command, external command, save. File saved successfully. If you want, I can also encrypt the files. So for encryption, you have to use this code ENCRY. Encrypt the file. So file encrypted successfully. We can see the values. And if you want to exit this, now I am exiting from my PEPdf interactive console operators. So you can see the prompt. Now I am inside the PEPdf. Yes. Now you can say leaving the PDF interactive console. Bye.